The last trigger in the Common Actions section is Set Focus. This is an accessibility feature designed to give learners with visual or motor impairments an equitable learning experience. When you set the focus of an object, you're helping both the course and the learner identify and interact with individual elements on the screen, especially when using a keyboard or screen reader. Setting focus doesn't change what the object does. Instead, it highlights or directs attention to it, ensuring it can be navigated or activated correctly. It's a way of giving learners more control and helping them move through your course more independently. Here's a real-world example. Let's say you've created a slide with several buttons that reveal different pieces of information. A learner using a screen reader won't automatically know where to go next unless you set the focus to the first button. Once focus is set, the screen reader can identify that button by name, describe it aloud, and allow the learner to activate it using the keyboard, creating the same experience as someone using a mouse. To assign the Set Focus action, simply select it from the list of available actions in the Trigger Wizard, then choose the object you want to have this accessibility feature.